Alright, team.
Don't worry. I'll keep our
Surround
men
me. This is what's gonna happen. Alright, I'll go out here. Alright, this is what's gonna happen. Alright. So we're gonna go at them, you know, do a little dancey dance on them, and then yeah. Are you ready?
Aye, Captain!
Playing Ash here, gamers.
Sounds good to me.
Playing Widow.
Oh, okay.
Playing with your balls.
Yo!
No shout, no shout.
Lucio's low.
Nice.
No,
Okay.
Okay, I hate him. I hate everything.
I think Ninja, one in there. 3, 2, 1, no defense.
Everyone has real.
I'm backing off. Oh.
Okay.
Whoa.
So back. Yeah.
Hi, Saya.
Let me see your toes again.
I got them dogs out, dude.
And they're more like claws.
Fox, were you pumping me during that?
You pumping him? So what are you saying, bro?
I was trying to live.
Oh, okay. Go left.
Pythax was pumping you?
Yeah, when I was getting ran on by 5 and I was trying to build my ult.
He was pumping you while you were getting ran on by 5.
Winnable!
Come. Oh,
Dude, I'm peeing this time, okay?
Alright.
I don't believe it.
Leave your mic
Can you
on.
stream it?
What?
Right. Go to your right. You're right. That's your left.
I'm going back up top. Back line's still right there.
Drinks. What do they have? Dr. Pepper?
We are all like even.
Oh, you sound so hot.
Gamer's got fucking shit on. What are you guys giggling about?
I didn't know a person could make those kind of noises.
Am I going down? Nice. Surgeon right side.
Watch blade.
Okay. Okay.
Come on.
You're by yourself. I can help you. Where are you?
They don't. Neither team is sports.
What the
Oh wait, no,
fuck?
we've been in the.
We have me. Got him.
What?
Fighting!
Go back, dude.
Lucio headshot, right side.
Lucio
I'm
shot.
trying to help you.
Lucio mine.
Oh!
He's
Sombra dead. Sombra
Okay,
left
she
side.
hacked me.
Oh my god.
I Suzu'd you, so you should be.
Are you serious?
Do
Good
what? I'm carrying it? Okay.
Almost back. I have rampage. We need it.
Okay. Main no gold. Okay.
Rampage. Took on it.
Okay.
I'm back soon. I got next.
Okay.
Who's dead? My guy?
I definitely touch.
The taco. It's the taco.
Yeah,
Oh.
we have tacos right now.
Hey, Bruce left his desk in DC.
Big flux.
Guys, I was right. He was shitting.
Oh, he's free. He's dead. Go on, Kiri. Kiri one. Kiri physically one. Physically one.
Ninja's done.
Oh my god.
For,
No.